So what I'm going to do is show you how to change the heating schedule in a Tado app and how to use something called early start, which is quite interesting. So let's go to the Tado app. We'll go into this room is the hall, click into there, and it's currently heating. 16.5 degrees is our set temperature. It's currently 15 and it will change to 19 later on in the day. So you go up to this sort of what is a sort of rectangle with two lines, probably a diary or something. So you click that. You can then choose the schedule of days. Do you want it Monday to Sunday or do you want to flex it? Ours is Monday to Sunday. So I'm going to leave that, not change that. You then click on this bar here for our Monday to Sunday for this room, which is in fact the whole house. It heats the whole house because we've got TRVs. So therefore, you've then got a load of different time schedules that we've put in, different bars, different time zones, and you can then click on any one of those and decide what you want to do with it. So you can change the temperature just by clicking that bit like that, and then scroll up and down and pick the temperature you want, and then save it by ticking the arrow, the tick bar. And then you could also change anything else as you want. You can also delete the time zone. I won't do it now, but you could edit the time block, and there's a function there called delete time block. So loads of flexibility to change the temperature, whether you want the time block and the times. Another feature I mentioned is in the settings menu up here with the cog. Click on that and there's something called early start. It's a bit like when you heat up a car before you get in it. This is the same principle. If you click on early start, then it will heat the room, or whatever your thermostat is set to. It will heat the room up to the desired temperature before the time starts. That's the aim of it. We don't have it set like that because we're trying to save the planet a bit. So that's really it. That's a lot of different features to do with this scheduling within the Tado app. Thanks for listening.